Please don't tell me that this look is gonna be a failure. I just broke it.
I hate it here.
Here, let's try this again. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. It's like blending in with the white. Oh my god, this is so ugly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello everyone, it is I, Salem, your favorite internet uncle. Why do my hands look so tiny? Anyways, how are y'all doing? I am doing pretty good. I mean, not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared right now because the weather is terrifying. But I ain't gonna let that ruin my vibes because today I have a very extra special video for y'all. I had a big brain idea that I came up with my brain. I am going to be filming my subscribers / followers draw my makeup. This is actually a pretty old trend. I think it was popular like I think 2 months ago. James Charles did it in one of his videos, and the premise of the video was his friends drew over their faces so that James could recreate a makeup look on himself. But since I'm friends with David Dobrik, I was like, what can I do that's slightly better? My followers choose my makeup. Speaking of David Dobrik, I entered the Tesla giveaway a long time ago and I didn't win, so pull up boo, I have beef with you now. So I just thought that this would be like a fun, cute little, you know, get together. You know, like we just vibing, something cute for the girlies, you know? But enough chit chat. Let's get into it. So in order to do this video, I first have to take to my socials and let you guys know that I need your help to do this video. So let me just get on my Android real quick.
Why y'all keep on saying the iPhone better than Android? It's just as good.
And the first place that I'm going to announce this is on my Instagram. Okay y'all, I'm gonna film a new video for you guys today and I wanted it to be extra special. Ding. Gotta add the emoji and interactive with y'all, but I need your help. I'm gonna be filming a my followers draw my makeup, where you submit a pic of some makeup you want me to wear by drawing on a picture of my face, and I'll recreate your look that you made on me. Simple, right? All right, now we need to find a photo of me that's at a good angle that people can draw on. All right, this is a really good photo, I feel. It's at a nice angle, I don't look too crusty, and I'm gonna post and see what you guys come up with. I expect nothing but the utmost creativity from my followers. So I have palettes on palettes just waiting here. I have eyeliners. I have a bunch of glitters on standby, ready to use. I have a bunch of beads and sparkle stuff that I'm gonna put on my face. I have lashes. I'm serving y'all lights, camera, production. Yes, God. Okay, so I'm already getting DMs from you guys. Whoa, I already got like one submission by X and Mina Broken McFlurry. That looks super cool. I got another one by someone of the name TJL Return of the Fries. Y'all even added the nose blush, dang. I was thinking that I would only be choosing 3 looks out of the hundreds of messages I'm getting because I can't really do 10 in one video because that would literally be like a 2-hour video. But since y'all are sending me a whole bunch, I mean, if y'all like how this video turns out, I might do a part 2. I think I am going to do something to make this fair, which is to randomly click on 3 DMs and do those looks that were sent to me. So I'm going to close my eyes and then I'm going to click on some random DMs and see what I come up with. Scrolling. Okay. Click. Alright, the first person is Anais Porcelain. It says Anais wants to send you a message. Alright, let's go ahead and see the picture. Oh, this is so cute. Wait, this is really cute. What the heck? Not that I was doubting your guys' talent, okay? I wasn't. It's just very cute. That is all. I'm jealous that I didn't think of this look. Anais, count your days. All right, this is super duper cute. Let's go ahead and recreate it. I'm gonna be putting the picture of the design that Anais made so that I can be following it. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put my hair to the side so that I'm not overheating. All right, so first things first. Also, if y'all wanna know what products I'm using in this video to create these looks, it'll be in the description down below as always. Gotta cover up my mustache that I haven't shaven in 2 weeks. Also, can we talk about the lighting in my video today? Like, y'all can practically see my soul through my eyes. The reason why my lighting is so good in this video, and it's gonna be from now on, is because, and this isn't sponsored, but I want to give them a shout out anyways. This company named GVM, they sent me a whole studio light for free, which was very kind of them to do. The one that they sent me is the 600S light, and it looks like a big flower, and it's so cute. Like if something is too bright, bam, just rip off a stem. If something isn't bright enough, add another one. It's just really cool. And for my fellow YouTubers, makeup artists, or people who want to become a makeup artist and or YouTuber, or someone who just wants a ring light, I really recommend this one. It's really good. I'll leave the description for it down below. I was tired of filming and my lighting looking like I filmed in Harry Potter's room when he lived under the stairs, but thank God today all that's gonna change. It's like cold hot in here, which I don't know what that means, but it's cold hot. So now that I have my kind of foundation done, I'm gonna start with the actual look. From what I see, the eyebrows are completely normal, so we got that done. Super hot pink eyeshadow right here that's outlined. So first let's do the eye makeup. The palette that I'm going to be using is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. So this color right here is super hot pink, and I think it's perfect for the top lid. This color right here, which is a little more a lighter version of this color, would look really good underneath and with my nose blush. Wow, the pigment! The way they drew it was the eyeliner was my whole entire lid and then the eyeshadow, which now that I think about it, I can do. I don't think it'll look as good on as the picture though. I'm going to use eyeshadow for my lipstick because I actually don't have a lot of lipsticks. I don't know why, I just kind of have one lipstick, which is my NYX Cosmetics lipstick that I'm always talking about in every single one of my videos. So what I do to make it look like I do have a different lipstick color is I put chapstick on first, as such, and I packed on like crazy the color that I want on a brush and just do this. I think this is getting pretty close to the picture. All I need left is some highlight and eyeliner and everything, and the butterfly on the side. And the blush I'm going to be using is ColourPop. Thanks for the memories. It's like this really cute peachy color. Oh my god. I'm starting to look like a Bratz doll, and I love it. Okay, so next would be eyeliner. Before I put on eyeliner, I'm going to kind of sketch it out so that I don't mess up when I put on the waterproof eyeliner. And the eyeliner that I'm going to use to outline it is the Epic Ink Liner from NYX Cosmetics, but it's brown so that I can kind of get a sketch of how it looks. Y'all can't barely see it, but I'll zoom in so that you guys can. And then it just goes straight up like shoo. I'm not going to do the full lid. I'm just going to do like half of it. The drawing covers my entire lid, but I want to make it so that my lid is a little bit in the frame, just a little bit, and it kind of has like this hook. Okay. All right, so the outline is finished. I'm going to put in purple inside the wings. All right, I'm just gonna fill in this. All right, for the glitter, I'm going to be using this holographic, vegan friendly, for eyes, cheeks, lips, and body kimchi chick highlighter palette. That is a mouthful. Look at that. Oh my god. All right, now I'm going to outline everything with an actual liner. I'm going to try not to move or shake or breathe during this process so that everything comes out perfect. I just know one of y'all breathed and made me mess up. Yo, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Oh my god, I actually did it. Ta-da! It looks a lot more pronounced for sure, But I still got lashes to put on, so let's go ahead and do that. Y'all, this look ended up so cute. Yes, I did an outfit change and put a little butterfly in my hair because I'm what? Extra. I think I did a really good job with my own interpretation based off of the look that y'all drew for me. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Y'all, tell me why I kind of want to leave this on. It's so cute. I really enjoyed the drawing a lot. I did. It's super cute. If y'all think that I won't go like this out in public to go get some bananas at the grocery store, y'all are sadly mistaken. Anais, I hope that you really liked the recreation of your look, and thank you so much. All right, on to the second look. That means I have to take everything off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I finally wiped down my makeup. My face is a little red because I was rubbing the eyeliner off like crazy because I totally forgot that it was waterproof, and it took forever to take off. Now that I have a bare face once again, y'all know the drill. Let's randomly pick another DM and see what look I gotta recreate. Scrolling. So this is from, I believe it's Sumeye. Not sure how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry about that. Oh my god, this look is so cute. What? Y'all are really good at this. Like, what the heck? Oh my god, they even did like orange blush and freckles and flowers. Okay, I'm so excited to recreate this one. Let's get into it. I've never really tried a yellow makeup look before, so I'm excited to. I can't take myself seriously while I look like this and I'm talking into the camera. There you go, that's better. I've never done a yellow makeup look before, so I'm excited to try this one. All right, so let me just get it. People keep texting me. Oh, I found it. Oh my god. 15 minutes for this product.
15 minutes.
And I'm gonna go in back with the brush that I previously used that has pink on it, but it's okay. Alright, this one definitely still isn't as orange. I'll have to put like, I'm gonna have to put like multiple layers on it. I've always liked yellow looks because I don't know why, I'm obsessed with making everything seem cute. So for me, whenever people do yellow looks, I'm like, it's so cute because it reminds me of like if you were a tiny fairy and you went to a flower and collected pollen from a flower and made friends with a honeybee and put it all over your face. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but cottagecore people will. So instead of using eyeshadow for the yellow accents, I'm going to be going in with my ColourPop cream gel eyeliner. Also, I actually really like these a lot. They're super convenient, and I actually use these all the time. If you look at my Instagram, there you go. And it's a lot more darker in the photo that they drew. So I'm gonna go over this with just a little bit of orange so that it actually matches the color. That definitely looks more like the colors we're trying to achieve. I'm gonna do my brows normal because I don't know how to do different colored brows. Don't at me. Just like how I don't have multiple lipsticks and everything, I don't have multiple like eyebrow colored stuff. Like, I'll see other makeup artists just like completely transform their eyebrows and like glue them down and add concealer and foundation and everything. Like, I just can't do that, you know? Every makeup artist has their strength. Every makeup artist has their weaknesses. My strength is blush, let's just be honest. But my weakness, clowns. And every other makeup product. I don't do this type of blush in like real life, I guess. They made it look super cute, so let's try it. I think it looks cute. Next, I'm going to do the flowers. The flowers have white in the middle and then like orange around it. And the way I'm gonna make the flowers is actually with the white and yellow eyeliner pencils from ColourPop. They did 2 flowers on the inner corners, which is really cute. So let's go ahead and do that. For some reason, the white never works on my skin. I have to like do it 50 times before you can even see anything. See, y'all can barely see it. This one ain't it. Like, it's just not working for some reason. It just looks like eye boogers. Please don't tell me that this look is gonna be a failure. I just broke it.
I hate it here.
Here, let's try this again. Take it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. It's like blending in with the white. Oh my god, this is so ugly. Oh my god, oh my god. This looks nothing like the drawing. You can kind of see how they kind of flowers. They look more like deformed clouds. But we're just gonna pretend like we didn't see that. I have an idea to distinguish the middle of the flower. To use pearls, like stick them inside rather than forcibly trying to put white on it. I did find these little pearls, so I'm going to put the little pearls right here so we can distinguish the stems. So let's go ahead and do this small pearl first. Okay, I think that looks a little more flowery. Now that the flowers are done, I am going to go and do some of my freckles with Freck. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a bunch of freckles because they did a lot of freckles for this look, but I won't do them as huge. The look is slowly coming together, thank God. All right, so I'm going to do brown eyeliner because it matches with like the sun-kissed sort of vibes. There you go, one eyeball. And second. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Sueme made me. Again, I'm so sorry that I'm totally butchering your name. But you know what? After I throw on the earrings, the lashes, the eyeliner, and this top, you know, it doesn't look that bad. I'm actually kind of living for it. It's really cute. I think what kind of made this look different from the picture that they drew me was the fact that the flowers do not look like flowers and they're not in the right spot that they're supposed to be. So thank you so much to Sueme for drawing me such a beautiful drawing. Beautiful drawing, kind of bad execution. Y'all, I ain't even gonna lie. I've been filming for like 3 hours. I'm so exhausted. And even though I promised y'all I would do 3 looks, I am gonna cut it short because I am so hungry and exhausted. But I hope that y'all still really much enjoyed this video. And like I said, if this video does well, you know, if y'all like and everything, and if y'all let me know that you would like a part 2 to this video, then let me know and I probably will do it. If this video gets like 2K likes, then I'll probably drop a part 2, honestly. Oh my god, excuse me. Even though I'm like so tired right now, I had so much fun recreating your guys' looks. Y'all are way too talented. Like, talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, very that. I absolutely loved both of the looks and all the other looks that you guys sent me. Shout out to everyone who sent me a drawing and actually participating to help make this video. Oh my gosh, I just realized I never put highlight on my nose. There you go. I knew something was missing. Thank y'all so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you guys have a nice day. Please stay safe. Remember to drink water, take a break, take care of y'all selves, and see you next week. Okay, bye.
Why y'all keep on saying the iPhone better than Android? It's just as good.